My name is Kevin Jacinto Lopez. I work here at the garden. Yeah.
My name is Kareem El-Khatib and I work here at the garden. It is also known as Green Team. We have several employees that work here. We plant many seeds and plants, I guess I can say that. Also, it is very fun. It's hard work, but since I'm doing it for society and so as the employees, we appreciate nature and what nature does for us. So we help them and we water the plants.
You were giving tours and everybody was saying how wonderful it was. What kind of things were you describing to people?
Oh, well, I just came down here and showed them basically all the plants. I went over there and showed them the onions as well, where we used to grow onions and where they were planting stuff. I showed them the rosemary and lemon balm where they could just rub their hand and then they liked it. I also showed them all around and explained what kind of plants there were and why they were together, like the humidity, like tomatoes, kale, and Swiss chard.
I found it pretty fun because there's so much stuff to discover and see, like seeing snake bugs around the garden, seeing butterflies. It feels great to see things that you never get to see. That's in nature.
And we like benefiting things for us and society. So that's why I think others chose to come to Green Team.
I was able to get my mind off of things that were pressuring me, and I was able to have fun and think about nature and relax.
It actually made me feel really good because I actually needed something to take all the stress off of me because after all the schoolwork, and it kind of changed my opinion of outdoors because I don't really like being outdoors. But when I come here, it's just I'm free and I enjoy planting.
At first, I really didn't know anything about plants, but now, since I came to Green Team, I know how to plant them and how to harvest them correctly and how to just do anything with nature, really.
We had to measure the soil to see if the temperature was right, and we had to weed that section so that we make sure the soil was healthy, and we needed to make sure they got the right amount of sunlight and water.
It's a lot of hard work. You have to plant it, you have to water it, you have to harvest it, and you have to wait for a while for it to grow. And yeah.
Yeah, the planting it's kind of easy once you get to know how things go on. But it's very satisfying when you come back and see that the plants are grown. But it takes a lot of work and time and efforts, and that's what we do at Green Team.
It was definitely worth all the effort.
Before I went to Green Team, I didn't come outside that much, but now since I already came, I came a lot, and then I know that our environment is very important to take care of.
I usually didn't care about nature, but when I came to Green Team, you, Miss Tixie, and Miss Plot showed me how society can help us and why we need to help society, and it really kind of went into my mind and made me feel like I regret all those moments where I
did not treat nature nice. So
My advice would be to try planting and like growing because it's actually pretty fun.